In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install PostgreSQL database in Mac. So I'll be showing you two ways. One is by using the installer and another one is using without it. If you feel your app is kind of slow after installing through installer method, you can try the other way. So first I'll be showing you the installer method. First thing, just search for PostgreSQL. We'll be having the official link from postgresql.org. Just select that, and here we are having the download option. Click it. We are having the download option for different operating systems. I will just choose Mac, and here we are having download the installer. Select this. Here we are having different versions of PostgreSQL. Just select the version of your choice. I will just go with 17.9. and the download will be getting started. It is around 337 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it and again open this, double click. We'll be getting this warning. It's totally fine. Just click on open and just enter your password. We'll be getting this PostgreSQL setup. Click on next. This is going to be the default installation directory. I'm fine with this. If you want to change it, you can. Click on next. These are the tools that are going to get installed: PostgreSQL Server, pgAdmin, Stack Builder, command line tools. This is good. Select next. This is the data directory. I'm fine with that. This is an important step. It will ask you to create a password for PostgreSQL database. So every time you create a connection, you need to use this particular password. So make sure that you are remembering this. Next. This is the default port number. I'm fine. Next. Next. And these are the stuff that are going to get installed. Click on next. The installation will begin. Be patient for some time. Once it is done, we'll be getting this stack builder thing. If you want to add it, you can. I don't want that, so I'll just uncheck that and click on finish. Next step is we just need to go to the installation directory and open pgAdmin. So for that, just go to Finder and you'll be having the main drive. Select this, library, and inside library we'll be having PostgreSQL and the version. I would recommend you to open pgAdmin after coming inside the library folder, because when I directly searched pgAdmin from apps and opened it, I was getting some error. So now just open it. That's it. We have got the pgAdmin 4 opened. Now if you just expand this servers, and we'll be having this PostgreSQL with a version, expand it again, and now it will ask us to enter the password. This is the password that we had entered when installing PostgreSQL. So just type it. If you want to save it, just check this and click on OK. And that's it. We have got the message saying server connected. I will just expand this, and here we are having databases. This is the default database available. If you want to create your own database, right click on this PostgreSQL and go to create. We are having here database. Select this. Here we can specify a name. I will just go with demo and click on save. Now here you can see I'm having two databases. This is the default one and this is the one that I have created. Now that we have done the installer way, I'll be showing you how to do the same without using installer. For this, same steps, just search for PostgreSQL and click on the first link. Click on download. Select Mac. If you just scroll down, we'll be having the Postgres app. If you want to try using Homebrew, you can do that. Here, just click on this. Here we will be having the downloads, and here we are having the Postgres app. Just click on download. It is around 117 MB in size, So just be patient. Once it is done, just open it, drag and drop it inside applications. Now go to apps and search for Postgres. We'll be having it. Open it. Just click on open. And we are having the PostgreSQL 18. Here we are having the server settings, the name, port and stuff. Here we are having the other important directories. So we can simply click on initialize. And that's it. Our PostgreSQL 18 is running now. And here in server settings, go to change password. And we can just give our own new password. So I will just enter it and click on change password. And here we are having this automatically start server. If you don't have this checked, every time you need to manually open this PostgreSQL app and then open pgAdmin. So it's better to have it automatically start server. So we can just leave it in start now. And one more step is just go to intro. Here if you scroll down, we have done all the 2 steps, but the 3rd step we haven't done it. So we need to configure this path to use the included command line tools. So you can simply like copy this, command C, go to terminal, just run this and enter your system's password. Okay. Next step is we need to go and install pgAdmin. In our first way, pgAdmin was directly installed with the setup itself. But in this way, we need to manually install it. Just search for pgAdmin and select the first link. And here we are having the download now option. Select this. Click on Mac OS. So I will just go with the latest version. And here we are having 2 options. One is ARM64, which refers to the Apple Silicon chips, that is the M1, M2 and M3 chips. And next is we are having X64, which is the Mac with Intel processors. So if you are having the M series, you need to go with this one. If you are having the Intel one, you need to go with the second one. I am having the Apple Silicon one, so I will just click it. It is around 226 MB in size. Once it is done, open it. And the agreement, read it through, click on agree. Simply drag and drop it inside applications. We can simply close it and go to apps and we can simply search pgAdmin. Open it. We can click open. So in pgAdmin we'll be having this servers and inside that I'm having this PostgreSQL 18. I'll just expand this. So it's asking me to set a master password for pgAdmin. So just have one. Connect to server. Please enter the password for using Postgres. So here in this place, you must enter the password that we changed in Postgres app. So I will just enter that and I will just check this save password and click on OK. Click on OK. And that's it. Server has been connected. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.